channel. So today we are going to do a fun experiment with a balloon. So this experiment is called rocket balloon, or else you could say zipline balloon. I usually just say zipline balloon. Okay, let's get started. So all you need for this experiment is a straw, ribbon or string or yarn, an air pump for blowing, scissors, tape, and of course, main material, balloon. So first we are going to insert the ribbon, string, or yarn into the straw. Here it is. Of course, you can also use some thinner ribbon. If you do that, that would be better, because the straw should have some place. Okay, so now I have put in this ribbon, string, or yarn to a pin in one side of the wall, and the other end of it to this side of the wall where there is another pin. And you can also use chair. Okay, so now I have stick the tape on the straw. So now I'm going to take this balloon, inflate it, and then stick it on the straw. Okay, so now I have attached the balloon to the straw with the tape. But remember, do not tie the balloon after you inflate it. So now I'm going to let go of the balloon. It will be like a zip line or rocket balloon. 3, 2, 1. Dude, this thing went crazy. It was so crazy. It was flying everywhere, like some free-roll airplane, like going in circles, like it just wants to crash into something. Did you see how crazy that was? So I hope you're liking my videos. If you do, please like, share, comment, and then subscribe my channel. And after you subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell to turn on notifications. Bye!